In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can make it to where Excel will preserve the cell formatting of your pivot table whenever you're updating it or refreshing it. So here we have a pivot table of products by a salesperson with the number of units sold and sales for each product. Now, whenever you go to refresh this pivot table though, by going to pivot table analyze, clicking refresh, things get out of whack, which can be annoying if I'm presenting this pivot table to a bunch of people and it has to be refreshed often. To make it so this won't happen, I can click into the pivot table, go to pivot table analyze tab, and go to the far left where you will see a options right here. And then we click down, click on options, and then under the layout and format grouping, I'm going to click preserve cell formatting on update. Click OK. Now I'm going to have to reformat some of these cells really quickly. Going to the home tab and then just centering it like so. But now, whenever you go to this pivot table, you're going to click on pivot table analyze and click refresh. As you can see, things did not get out of whack and the formatting stayed the same. That said, I hope you found this super helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.